Nanubabo Kabalen, sa akin po, welcome to Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Lazatin Blvd to check out the new Croissant location.
Yun guys, so na-mention ni Mark, initially, na-feature natin sila from home, and then yung first store nila sa Ramar Village, and now, they have a new, bigger, better home dito po sa may Lazatin Blvd. If you wanna know more about the new Croissants De Pampanga Cafe, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Again guys, welcome to Croissants De Pampanga Cafe.
Yes, so this is their new home.
Correct.
Dito sa may Lazatin Blvd beside Barnes Burger.
They have moved to a new home. Bigger, better, I think.
And at the same time, napaka-Instagrammable ng place.
Correct. So they are now serving, aside from our love croissants.
Yes.
And now they are serving coffees, refreshments, and other drinks, bro.
At the same time, even pasta, meron na rin sila.
Okay.
So, on our table, meron tayong dalawang klaseng pasta dito. Yung kanilang creamy pesto chicken pasta and yung kanilang black seafood pasta.
Wow. Now for the refreshments, if you are interested guys, so meron tayong salted caramel sea salt.
Yes.
And then, meron tayong passion fruit
Refresher.
yeah.
Meron din tayo ng kiwi. Meron tayong kanilang strawberry delight.
Yes.
And yung kanilang strawberry shortcake.
So of course, meron din tayong mga tarts, croissants natin.
Mga cheesecakes.
Yes. So what I love about the place, again, sabi mo nga, it's Instagrammable, it's bigger, and at the same time, pet-friendly tayo, bro.
Yes,
So,
actually, pwede nyo dalhin yung mga alaga nyo dito.
I'm ready to taste, bro.
Actually, next site ako, lalo ng ang gaganda ng mga presentation nila.
Yes. So isa sa mga nagustuhan talaga natin, aside from they are really, really good. In terms of taste, very eye-appetizing.
Yes. So, syempre, unahan na natin sa mga pasta.
I would like to taste this one first. So this is their black seafood.
Black seafood pasta.
Seafood pasta.
Saka naman yung kanilang chicken pesto.
Oh, wow.
Actually, yung mga pasta nila, talagang bagay na bagay when it comes sa mga sweets and yung mga fraps
Yeah,
nila.
so you have your savory first.
Yes.
And then later on, you're gonna top it all off with a dessert, with the sugar.
Ito kanina akala ko is a dessert, pero nagkamali pala ako. This is a chicken curry pala. Yun na. One of their pangsama rin sa mga drinks natin. Yun na. One of my favorite dito is syempre yung kanilang Nutella sa chocolate and the egg tart at the same time. You know? It says.
Several variants of croissants, pero ako gusto kong tikman is yung kanilang strawberry cream-filled croissant. Ayan, tignan nyo naman to guys. So heavenly. Alright, so taste it. Yun, ha?
Siyempre, hindi naman natin papakawalan yung mga Danish nila dito. So this one is their peach Danish. Meron tayong strawberry and Nutella Danish. Yun, no? So napakaganda niya, oh. Check this out. Ayan, no? So let's taste it. Wow.
Alright, so more of the desserts, guys. They call this French fruit tarts. And the flavor natin dito is, you can see, strawberry. And napaka-delicate. Meron din tayong mga parang golden flakes. I don't know what they call it, pero yeah, these are actually edible. Wow. So fresh. Sarap.
For their hats naman, ay yung kanilang white chocolate yung titikman ko, syempre. Wow! Napaka-creamy niya.
Coffee available here. Let's try this one. Oh wow, I like it. It's creamy. Has strong coffee, which I really like. Strong coffee. Hi muna natin siya. Ayun! You're gonna see her here, always. Anyway, so again, congratulations, Croissants De Pampanga. This is a new, bigger, better, I think.
So it is located dito sa may Lazatin Blvd. So pinaka-landmark lang niya at katabi lang niyan si
Barney's Burger.
Barney's Burger, and they are open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
There you go. Guys, if you're looking for those mga pagkain na pinakita namin, they are actually available dito sa Croissants De Pampanga. Please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys. Wharf kan wharf. Say bye. Woo.